So we have basis, biorecycling for advancing sustainability on Earth and space. This project focuses on 4 different technologies: anaerobic digestion, membrane, algae photobioreactors, and plant growth. So humans have created this term. It's called waste. Waste does not exist in nature. Waste is a term we created as humans to judge when we decide we no longer need something. We called it waste and got rid of it. In nature, there is no waste because everything is recycled and reused. We can start with the anaerobic digester is found in nature all the time. We make this engineered system to break down waste, create biogas as an energy source, which can be used to create electricity and heat. And the concentrate can be filtered through a membrane process, which will create water and nutrients. The nutrients can then go to an algae photobioreactor, which would create algae biomass. Algae need 4 things to grow: sunlight, water, nutrients, and carbon dioxide. So in an algae photobioreactor, all 4 things are present, and you're able to utilize these sources to create algae biomass, which can be used as a biodiesel, as well as sent back to the anaerobic digester to again create the biogas, the water, and the nutrients. Likewise, the nutrients recovered from the algae can be sent to the biofertilizer farm. This can be used to grow any type of food crops. We just have some rosemary, some basil, and some chrysanthemums here. And basically they use up the nutrients and the water to create a food source. When you eat food, 2 things happen. 1, you break down the food to create energy for yourself, and 2, any excess is going to go through your body and become human waste. The human waste would then be sent back to the anaerobic digester. And another thing is, when you have plants, there's always going to be food waste. So with the food waste, any excess food that is not eaten or consumed in the process can also be sent back to the anaerobic digester to be broken down again into biogas, water, and nutrients. So as you can see here, this whole process is a general cycle, and we're trying to mimic what nature has already taught us. And the reason why we call it biorecycling for advancing sustainability on Earth and space is biorecycling is using biological processes and microorganisms to do all the work for us. Sustainability, as in we're growing our own food source, providing our own fuel, we're recovering water, and we're recovering nutrients in the process, and having a carbon dioxide sink in the algae photobioreactor. And on Earth and in space, with the talk of colonization, especially on Mars and the Moon, we're looking at if colonization were to occur, especially in the initial stages, we have to utilize anaerobic digestion as a food source, as an energy source, as well as membrane technology for water recovery, plant growth, and algae as a form of oxygen. So this would be a similar process to what any colonization would have to utilize, especially in the beginning stages. Thank you.
Thank you.